Hi guys, Peter here. In this standalone video, I'll show you that infill is not just a functional part of 3D printing that makes our prints stronger, easier to print and lighter, also less wasteful, but also something that can be uniquely beautiful. We're going to print ourselves these interesting looking coasters and this futuristic looking mobile phone stand. So let's start! First, let's quickly look at the model of our coaster. Viewing it in a 3D viewer, you can see that it's just a simple flat disk with raised edges. Let's import it into the panel builder so we can prepare our printing program. After it's loaded into our slicer, we can see how large the model is and that we'll be able to fit just one on our printer's build plate. In the configuration menu, we'll use the standard regular preset with just the printing speed set up to fine. Raft and supports will stay switched off, and we'll use our usual print temperature of 220 degrees Celsius. After basic configuration, we'll move into the advanced part of configuration menu. There, we'll set the panel builder to skip the top layers completely. This might seem unusual and strange, but it will open the top of our coasters and let the infill pattern create this very interesting decorative design on our prints. For the mobile stand, this would work exactly the same. After this setup, we can hit the slice button and save our new printing program onto printer or its microSD card. Now it's time to move to the printer, and with the filament of desired color loaded in, hit the print button and choose our program from the list, double checking the displayed info and putting glue on our build plate. And just after roughly half an hour, we have our coasters ready. As you can see, you can experiment a lot with this technique and create objects with very interesting textures and decorations. Alright guys, that would be it for this standalone video. I hope a little 3D printing projects like this will encourage you to find some interesting methods and possibilities unique to the 3D printing world. Like this video if you liked it, share it if you found it interesting, and subscribe to see more 3D printing content.